So hey, you want to start a landscaping business? That's great, but you have to factor in some broken parts. So for instance, our lenses, our brake lenses and turn signal hazards, they're broken off. As well as the protective plate has seen better days. She's bent and tweaked up. So what we got is some new parts right from John Deere themselves. Got it at my dealer. Got the amber, got the red, and a new bracket. I do think we'll be able to bend that bracket back for a spare, but while we're at it, let's change it all. Okay, well here's the light guard protector. Obviously that broke and twisted. I'm sure I caught it, brush hogging. We get into probably thicker stuff than most tractors would do for brush hogging, which is why we got a forestry mulcher also. So I'm sure I caught this on a branch and just tweaked it and put a branch through the lenses. I guess we're not going to be able to use this as spare parts and it's complete junk, so we will throw that away and put some new protective covers on it. We got a bent screw, so we're gonna have to get a new screw. Didn't see that coming. Whoa!
Need me to help you?
Yep, I think I lost it.
All right. Stairs, I know we love you, but you're not helping. Come on.
Find screw. Thought I did. There it is.
Hey!
Right there.
Thank you, Magnet.
Yeah. And well, let's see if the lights work. Well, looks like we're blinking. Are we stopping?
Yes, we are.
Okay. Woo! All right. Hey, now that we got the lights all fixed up, we just got a call. We got to go bid another brush hog and forestry mulching job.
And it is 6:15 at night. Hey, sun sets in 40 minutes, so hurry.
Okay, so in 40 minutes, we got to go bid another job where we can hopefully not break those anymore. But hey, got to pay the bills around here. Thank you for watching. If you see me doing it, you can replace a blinky lens too. Cheers from the Bulldog guys.